Hello, friends. Hello, family. How are you all doing? Well, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Assurance Solution. It gives me joy to give you solution. Yes. But you are my friend. When you watch the video, it speaks to you. It makes sense. You understand it. You put it into practice and come back. So give me feedback. Then you are my friend. Then my prayer will meet you. Okay. But when you watch, you do not practice it. You are running back to me, thinking I will be ultimate. I am not ultimate. I don't like when people come and tell me problems of 1960. I will ask them, what have you done? Nothing. I want you to tell me. I will say, pay consultation fee. Of course, I will charge you the money you will not pay, and you run away. I purposely do that. Please, to my return subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video, for supporting this channel and pushing this channel far, sharing the link here and there. God bless you. Those of you see me for the first time, watch my video. My name is Ines. Please consider to subscribe, and when you subscribe, select all to always get notification from the YouTube whenever I upload a new video, so that anything you ask now, say go back to the channel and see and watch this video and put it into practice. But if you do not subscribe, you will not be able to go to the channel, because it's not easy teaching on YouTube and coming to teach again. Yes, some people want to call you, they want you to start teaching. I don't do that. Yes, guys, I want to talk about family liberation. The need for you to go and do your family liberation. This is personal family liberation. Personal family liberation. Yes, guys. When you are the type, nothing is working for you. All the whole road block. All the doors close. You are in abroad. You see yourself in your father's house. You see yourself in your mother's house. You see yourself hawking pure water. You have your certificates, and they say it's your father's house. It's your part from your mother's house. This video is for you. You are paying for a crime you never committed. This video is for you. Relax, sit down, watch this video to the end. If you can't hear my voice, take your earpiece and listen to me. Okay, and you will understand. You are in your father's house. Things did not work for you. You leave your father's house. In the dream, you are still in your father's house. You are still in the bush. You need to do this liberation. A lot of people will call people, so they pay money to pastors or whosoever to go to their house, come and do liberation. They say, is this true? They tie all of you. Is this true? They tie all of you. They tie all of you. They tie you down. You will pay huge amounts of money. At the end, nothing happened. Sister, brothers, are you sure it was properly done? Because there are a lot of fake outside. There are a lot of fake pastors, fake whosoever. Anybody can be fake. It does not matter who you are. It does not matter what you believe in. If you are fake, you are fake. You can be this other religion, you are fake. You can be another religion, but you are real. God is using you real. Because God is God of general. The controller of the whole universe is God of general for everybody. Okay. But when you do this self-liberation by your own self, there's a song say, by myself it will work, but I need you. I need your hand. You do it by your own self. You are sure that you did it. By the mercy of God on your side, you will definitely see liberation. What is the essence of this self-family liberation? The benefit of this self-family liberation is that, number one, you will not suffer for the crime you never committed again. If your grandfather, great-great-grandfather have sacrificed 7 heads, and they say it is your generation that will come and suffer, you will be liberated. If your mother has commit atrocity, kill so many children, suck so many blood or whatsoever, they now say he reincarnated into you, and you are the one paying, suffering for what you never come. When you do this liberation, you will be free from that. This family liberation is a very deep thing. It's a personal decision. You cannot do it for your whole family, because in spirituality you must be willing to be free. You don't force people to come out. Those forces holding that person will come again. They will come after you. That's why sometimes when we shoot video, they will shoot you out, because we release secrets. When you do some curse breaker for people, bam. When people say they are coming to your house, as they're stepping your house, the enemy chasing them will be shooting you out. Okay, so you must start from yourself. It's not something I'm doing for the whole family, because some people may not be willing to take that step. This personal family liberation is going to take you 4 days, and it's going to take you step by step. If you are interested, you will send me SMS or WhatsApp. I will tell you the cost. I'm not going to teach it how you will do it on YouTube. Please, for the sake of my life, I will tell you the cost, and when you comply, I will make the video private and send to you. You start doing it one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. I will back it up. Okay, I remember sometimes they say they want to come and do family liberation in my father's house. They want to come and do. We will call our uncle. All those occultic. My uncle belongs to 3 different courts. My auntie, maybe that one is 4. I don't even know. If you check her problem, you look at her problem, you pick her call problem. They now say, hey, you people want to come and do family liberation, we are waiting for you. Do you know that those people that will help us to do the liberation will decide they will not come again? Or the day they want to come, they will miss road. And problem will be just there. No progress. Nobody is moving forward. Everybody was just in one boat. When I started my YouTube channel, I beg people to watch my video. I beg people to subscribe. When I post video, I will be going to, even my staff, my fellow colleague, I will say, I posted the video, come and watch, come and subscribe. They will say, come today, come tomorrow, come today. Things were not working. I have been praying for people since. All of them have moved to the next level. Their promotion, but I was still where I am. Where I was in so year is still where they will meet me. They will still come and meet me. They will still come and come. I pray they will move forward, get promoted, get increment of salary, changing job. But I was where I was until I take that step to liberate myself from the lineage, the blood lineage of my father, and said I will no longer suffer the crime I never committed. I never shared any human skull, use any human skull to drink water. Then why will I be facing the punishments? Every member of my family, they didn't do that though. They didn't do that. But now they are looking at me as a form of the breadwinner of my family. Okay, I do a little effort, I see results. Unlike before, nothing. I prayed 63 days vigil, fasting, 6 to 6, dry fasting, go to the mountain, nothing. At times I begin to ask God question. Does it mean my sin is too much? You don't answer prayer again? Until I take a good step. Because I was from idol worshippers. My fathers, all of them, they worship idols. They do idols, they do all those that sacrifice and all that. But when I was born, when I was growing up, I don't agree with them. When they call for sacrifice, I scatter. When they say move red, I move right. When they do that, I scatter. Then my grandmother come and say, is either you belong to Caesar or you belong to God. Choose. I say I choose God. He say leave Caesar alone. So anything they are doing their sacrifice. They don't call me. They don't mention my name. Once you mention my name, scatter everything. With confusion will enter. They don't mention my name. So, but because I was from that family, those forces were still acting until I liberate myself. I deny that blood. I remove myself from that blood lineage. Those idols stop following me. I start following their people. And God Almighty start following me. Because if you say you want to go and follow the idol, you have to go and be looking for who will tell you, who reincarnates you. What did the person do? Atone for the sin, atone for this, atone for that. Nibo, I don't know that. I can't do that. You will still answer your father's name. You will still bear the name, but spiritually, you have removed yourself from that blood. You, your children, will no longer suffer the sin of your forefathers. It's just like when you are in this, you are this religion. You want to join another religion. You will deny that religion that you are to accept that religion. That religion you accept will be the one that will be working for you. That one that you deny, that you reject, will no longer follow you. But sometimes we reject them, but with the spiritual one, we do not do it, and they will be attacking you. So when you reject them, that you don't want them, spiritually you go and delete yourself from their blood, so that all the name they call, when they were doing their sacrifice, they were mentioning your name. Okay, for example, when they are doing sacrifice, they are doing their festival, they will be mentioning your name. But once you have done this family deliverance, all those names that they mention for the idols to follow you, you will no longer be there. Your name will be deleted. Then idol will be following in people. Idol will not follow you again. Another benefit of it is that if there is any attack coming from father's house or mother's house, they will not get you because you don't belong there. You don't belong to them anymore. Yes, they will not get you. So you will no longer be in London and be dreaming about your father's house. You are in America. You are seeing yourself in your father's house. You need to go and do self-family liberation. So that you are in London, you will possess and eat the good of London. When you come back, they will say you are in London. Not you are in London, you are the person in Lagos, in your village is better, that is progressing more than you that in London. You are just answering the name, nothing to show for it. They say one woman from your mother's house, one woman from your father's house. Once you have done this self-liberation, that woman from your father's house, when he shoots the arrow, it will not get you because your blood has changed. Sometimes when you finish, you fall sick. You will be weak. It's like you are alone. But with time, you will enjoy yourself. Yes. No any idol will be coming to knock on your door. Come and pay. Come and give me goat. It's time to give goat. Give me goat. I will collect your salary this month through typhoid and malaria. Give me Jesus. Okay. They will not come and knock on your door. Give me fowl. Give me fowl. Your auntie is supposed to be giving fowl on so market day. If you don't give me fowl, I will collect all your money through 419 ATM. 419, they will finish all your money. Okay? Things will begin to move well for you. Doors will begin to open. It doesn't stop them not to bless you, but you will be separated from the crime of your father's house. Rather, you will start receiving blessing and not their fight and not their battle. The same way God bless everybody generally. God is God of general. He blesses the poor. He blesses the rich. He blesses everybody. Money does not go to school. Money does not know that you went to school. You can be a stark illiterate or still be stinkingly rich. So God does not look at my religion. God blesses everybody generally. That's how you will still be seeing your own blessing generally. Okay? But the ancestors will no longer demand sacrifice on your head because you have told them you are no longer for them. It's a personal decision. Nobody from your father's house or your mother's house can plan evil against you and it will work because you are no longer with them spiritually. But physically, you can be answering the name. A name is a name. Yesterday, I was answering, my name is Mercy Ogbon. Tomorrow, I change the channel name to Assurance Solution. That is it. Okay, yes. So this is what I want to share with you. You are interested, SMS or WhatsApp. I cannot teach you the method, the ways like this. No, it's too deep. But it's something you can do on your own. With fasting, with prayer, and liberation will come on you. Then when anything you are doing again, you start seeing lights. If you know how to, why did I come to even make this video? Because somebody came and asked me, how can I appease my ancestors? I said, you can appease them in some areas. The one you know how to do. But the one that is beyond you, that is deep, there are some things, sacrifice that have to take human. They have to take some deeper way. There is a way they will do it. They will say a woman must not enter here, a man must not enter here. You don't know those rules and regulations. You let those that know the rules, they on their own. You do on your own. So that you no longer be in London and be seeing yourself in your father's house. You have no business again with them. That is what I want to share with you.